Yo, chat, what's up, baby? Guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time visiting Blue Whale FX, I just want to say thank you, and please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I know we can do it with you guys' help. Now, guys, this video is going to be super simple. We're just going to be diving into my plays for the week, and I'm just going to show you what I'm looking at and, possible trade setups. Also, if you haven't already been following us, we are doing a $100 to $1,000 trade challenge this month. So basically, we're trying to take a $100 account and turn it into $1,000 before the end of the month of October. In order to see this, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, and then I go live every day, Monday through Friday, between 8 a.m. to about 4 p.m. Okay, so tune into that. Without further ado, let's hop into the charts. All right, y'all. So first, we're gonna get into gold. At the end of last week, we set our resistance zone and price was heading up on Friday. It didn't quite make it to our resistance zone, but within the first hour of the market opening today, it just broke above and closed above our resistance zone. So previously, this was market high right here, and now this is the new market high. Oh, you guys like the dark theme sometimes, so I'm gonna do it on dark theme. All right, so I was looking at the chart a little earlier just to see potential plays, and it'd be better if I go down to like the 1 minute time frame. Actually, we'll do it like this. So this is what I'm seeing, right? As far as entries go. So this was all-time high, price broke above it. So once price broke above it and closed, it made this a support level and then this a support level. So we can look for entries either here or down here, right? One or the other. Price is either going to retest or correct itself. Being that the retest is so close to the correction, I'm almost 100% positive that if it did come to this line, it would come right here, like, and then reject. So yeah, that's just about it. And then we'll go down to the smaller time frame to see what's going on right now. So as you can see, price just broke structure right here, but this doesn't really mean anything. I'm gonna be honest, even though it broke structure, it's still like, gotta come down here. So I don't want y'all to like, think this is an entry or something. Excuse me. Let's see what's going on with the news. All right, Trump, Gaza talks about having been very successful. First phase should be completed this week. Okay, that just came out. Let's go to tomorrow. Ooh, no news tomorrow. No red folder events. I'm trying to start pronunciating my words. All right. Okay, news event on Tuesday. Wednesday, unemployment claims. Okay, so Wednesday and Thursday, the market is going to move a little bit. For sure. Oh, this is Friday. I'm sorry. Thursday and Friday, the market is going to move. For sure. But Monday, nothing's going on. Tuesday, nothing's going on. Yo, bro, that might be a good thing. Like no cap, that actually might be like a really, really good thing. And I'm gonna tell y'all why. Yeah, price is gonna come all the way down. I'm almost 100% positive, bro. I'm almost 100% positive price is gonna come down here and then reverse up. I'm like almost willing to bet money on it. Put a line right here just in case. Okay. Now let's go to the real here that I want to show you. I want to show you Bitcoin, bro. Bitcoin, if you're not investing in Bitcoin, you're tripping. You're bugging, like, no cap. So let's go to the hour time frame. So last week, right, price was all the way down here. What is this? 108,000. Price jumped all the way to 108,000, right? Within a week, price jumped all the way up to 100 and what? 125,000. Man, that is crazy, bro. That's really, really crazy. Like, no cap. All right, so I'm bullish on both plays for Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's set this up a little bit. Okay, we got not the strongest support in the world, but we do have like a little demand zone right here. What trades like this with gold and Bitcoin right now, you want to get in at areas like this. These are the areas that you want to get into the trades at. So like this one, I would even put it right here actually. And then I would do something like this. All right, so I would wait for price to come and hit either this or break above this high and then do like a retest. Because these are the type of trades that you could just hold, bro. And it's like look at this. Like, I want to show you an example of what holding does, right? So let's say we waited for price to break structure down here. Boom. So it broke structure. Let's see what happened after it broke structure. Broke structure, immediately retested the structure. Then from there, hold on. It went up higher. $12,000 in a week is crazy, bro. That, y'all don't understand how crazy that is, bro. So if you had enough money to invest where you can make $1 per pip that it moves up, you would have made $12,000 in a week off of risking $1. Like, that's insane to me, bro. That is like really crazy. Now, mind you, the stop loss with Bitcoin is kind of severe sometimes. So like, that's the only thing I don't like about Bitcoin. Your stop loss does have to be kind of deep. So in total honesty, this is what you would have had to do trading this. You would have had to risk like, I'm gonna say $1,600 to make that 12. But still, the fact that you could have made that is crazy. All right, guys, but that's it. I didn't want to make this video too long. So the two plays for the week are gold and Bitcoin. Man, if you have $100, $1,000, $10,000, go ahead and risk about 10 to 20% of that money. Find a strong key level to get in, like areas like this that I marked up for Bitcoin, and then areas like this for gold, and just ride it out, man. Like, it's either you're gonna win or you're gonna lose, but I'm telling you, like, this is a great time to invest. This is one of the best times to invest in a long time, so take advantage of it. And guys, again, make sure to subscribe. Peace.